Hi, my name is Alex Douglas, and today I will be demonstrating how to make drop batters, which is a form of quick bread. The recipe I will be using for this is banana bread. Quick breads are different from yeast breads because they use chemical leaveners like baking powder and baking soda rather than yeast. The way that chemical leaveners work is that they have chemicals in them that react with water that creates air and expands the gluten strands in the bread. The first thing you want to do is preheat the oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit and butter a 9 by 5 by 3 inch loaf pan. It's important to butter all sides and the bottom of the loaf pan so that when the bread rises, it won't get caught, or when it comes out, or when you try to take it out of the pan, it won't crumble. Once you've done that, you want to cream 1 stick of butter and 1 cup of sugar in a large mixing bowl. When you're done creaming the butter and sugar, it should look like this. You want to do that to incorporate air in the butter and add overall flavor and taste to your bread. After you've creamed your butter and sugar, you'll want to add 2 eggs, one at a time, beating well after every addition. After beating in the 2 eggs, your batter should look like this. In a separate bowl, you will want to mash 3 ripe bananas, add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and add 1 tablespoon of milk. After that, your banana mixture should look something like this. In a third bowl, you want to add 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 2 cups of flour. Many people don't know the difference between baking powder and baking soda. Basically, baking powder is just baking soda with extra chemicals. After mixing all of your dry ingredients, you want to mix your banana mixture and your sugar mixture. Once it's mixed, it should look like this. You really only need to mix it until it's combined. No more. Once you've combined your banana mixture and your sugar mixture, you want to combine in your your dry ingredients until all the flour just disappears. You need to be careful not to overmix here, or the bread will tunnel, which means it'll have large irregular holes in it. Flour plays an important role in bread, as it holds all the gluten and serves as the foundation for bread. Once you've added all your ingredients together, you will want to take your batter and pour it into your pan. This type of batter is known as what is a drop batter, and it's called a drop batter because it has 2 parts dry ingredient to 1 part liquid ingredient ratio. It's called a drop batter because normally it will not pour as well as pour batters will, and it's a bit thicker and has to be dropped in by a spoon or other object. Once your batter is in the pan, you are ready to bake it. You will need to bake the batter for anywhere from an hour to an hour and 15 minutes, or until a toothpick can come out of the center clean. So when you can put a toothpick in and it comes out clean, that's how you know it's ready. So once the bread is ready, you're going to want to let it cool in the pan for 15 minutes. You want it to cool in the pan so it won't be affected by the sudden change in temperature. The bread has a hard golden brown outside with a soft moist inside. It tastes It's a little chewy, and the taste is very mild. Something I could have done better was I probably could have mixed a little bit less there, but otherwise it came out very well. And now you've seen how to make drop batters and quick breads through banana bread, and just remember to not overmix and remember the difference between baking powder and baking soda. Thanks for watching.